This is polyoxymethylene plastic. It was first synthesized in the 1920s by Hermann Staudinger, but it was somewhat unstable.
In the 1950s, DuPont was able to stabilize the polymer and produce a useful material which they marketed under the trade name Delrin.
Some of the properties of Delrin that make it a very useful material are that it has a very low coefficient of friction, has low thermal conductivity so it doesn't transfer much heat, and it's also very strong and highly machinable and moldable.
This makes it an excellent material to build a variety of things, including motorcycle frame sliders, knee pucks,
guitar picks,
and don't forget yo-yos!
Delrin is also used in bagpipes and Irish flutes.
Solutions of aqueous formaldehyde are commercially available, but in order to work with it, first we have to bring in an alcohol and create a hemiformal mixture. This hemiformal mixture then needs to be heated, and through vacuum distillation you remove the water molecules, leaving us with anhydrous formaldehyde. Anhydrous formaldehyde is the actual functional group that is used in the polymerization.
Once we have anhydrous formaldehyde, as you heat it up, the double bond to the oxygen to the carbon breaks, leaving a lone pair of electrons on the oxygen. This lone pair then attacks an adjacent formaldehyde. Now it could attack from the top, it could attack from the bottom, but to simplify our discussion, we'll simply say that it is a backside attack, even though it can do both, top and bottom. The lone pair attacks the carbon. This causes the double bond on the carbon-oxygen in the next formaldehyde to break. This bond is formed. And then we have the lone pair here on the adjacent oxygen. This then attacks the next formaldehyde carbon, which causes that double bond to break. And you can see how we end up with a growing chain of carbon-oxygen backbone. There are various ways to stabilize the polymerization of polyoxymethylene plastic. Each terminal group gives the molecule different properties, and the specific way of stabilizing Delrin is a trade secret of DuPont.